Hi everyone. Let me quickly show you the agent that we are going to build in this session. So this session is going to be for complete beginners who know nothing about coding or n8n or OpenAI. So we'll start from the very beginning, and at the end of the session, we'll build an agent like this, like exactly this, from scratch. Okay. I will quickly show you what this agent can do, like what agent we are going to build. So in this agent, you can just mention, if you're working for, let's say, multiple brands, you can mention all the brands here and their URL. And after that, you just need to click on research. This agent will automatically do research. Let's say I clicked research here, here, at all these points, it will automatically do the research for all of them and populate the research here. And how we'll use that research now. So basically in the next sheet, what we can do is I can just write the topics for which I want to generate content, like best protein shake for beginners. I'll mention the brand name that I used earlier. And if I just write do research, so it will do a research on this topic. It will use the previously generated research info, like the one that we generated here, brand research and pricing. It will use them and then ask AI to generate a topic research for this topic. So then we will, at the end, we'll get a content research like this. Okay. And once you click on, once you click after research, once you click on generate content, it will also generate a content like this using the same research. So at the end of the session, we are going to build an agent like this, which can handle, like you can just like you can just click on research at all these places and it will do a research for all of them. And once the research is complete, you can just switch it to generate content. Let's say I want to generate content for these two only. So it will generate content for these two based on the research that it has generated. Okay. So it will use this research and generate the content. Okay, so we are going to build this from scratch. Now, let me quickly show you how we are going to build it. So we are going to build it in n8n. So if you have an n8n account, OpenAI account, it's way better, right? But if you don't have, I will give you my own, like I will add you to my n8n paid account. And I will also give you my OpenAI API key access just for the session. I will revoke the access after the session. So, so that you can do the hands-on in the session and learn everything from scratch, so that at the end of the session we'll be building a like flow like this, where we'll read the data from Google Sheet, we'll filter it, we'll go through, we'll pass it through AI, I will again write it to Google Sheet, and we'll build the flow completely. So we'll keep the session over Saturday, and it will be a hands-on session of 2 hours long at least. And I will make sure all of you are able to complete an agent like this by the end of the session, and you're able to run it. You're able to see the data by the end of the session. And if you still have questions, I've already added you to my community, where you can just go ahead and ask your questions if you have any after the session. But I will try to make sure that you all have built this agent by the end of the session. Okay.